Hi guys, here's another knot for you. This is a way that I like to tie up ropes lately. It's something I just came up with on my own. Sure, it's out there, but I like to have knots that pull out. Just whenever you're done with them, they're secure, they're solid. I like to say you could pull a car with it or a Jeep. You know, I'd love to test them all out and show you guys that, but to find the time, it gets tricky. So with this method, you can hang it on a hook, you can carabiner it, you can put it on your backpack, whichever. It's a little large, but when you're doing it, you can also do this with paracord, and I'll show you guys how. So when you're ready for it, you can just pull the loop, and as long as you're consistent about how to make this up, I like to just double it over, double it over, double it over, and I'll show you guys. So straighten it all out. Usually a doorknob. I like to use my mirror. Pull these out straight and nice and even. Get your ends together. Just double that over again. Get your ends nice and straight, even. I like to have the rope tag ends just a little bit longer than the loop, so that way when you're doubling it over, it doesn't fall into the loops. And you're going to want to have enough to play with. So this is about it. You can also double this over and then just tie it into an overhand knot. And that's a nice tighter version of the way I do a lot of my paracords, because when you undo that, you just drop it to the ground, hang onto an end, and it'll just usually be straight every time. I mean, you might have one knot or two, you just sit there and unweave, but for this, you definitely want to have a little extra play and get about a quarter of the way down. Go behind, keep your hand there. Don't have to have everything too tight yet, because you can snug everything down. Just make that overhand loop and then fix your knot, and you can hang that up. And when you're ready for it, like I said, you can pull the one side and see which side is which. And when you're ready, just pull it out, drop it to the ground, grab your end, and go. But you want to keep the cords as straight as you can, so you don't want to rush it too much. But when you're ready, just drop and go. Snug your knot, keep everything tight, and then it'll hang there until you need it. So just another knot for you.